What's up people, welcome back to my channel. This is the last chapter of me chatting about some of my favorite watches from my favorite watch brands in Watches and Wonders 2024. If you have missed my last 3 chapters or would like to know what are some of the watches released in Watches and Wonders, I'll put a link in the description below. The Type 1 round multicolor is the latest addition in Ressence Type collection that is inspired by graphic arts. The dial is inspired by color screen printing, which combines soft contrasting hues and a tactile design. All engraved indications are filled with grade A superluminova in this rounded pebble-looking case. This watch doesn't just tell you the time, it tells you the day as well as the AM and the PM, all in that red sub-dial. The chrono's design is thanks to a customized 2892 base caliber featuring flush revolving disc that displays time in a bi-dimensional layout. You adjust the time by rotating a lever at the back of the watch. I always find their watches intriguing. It stands out and is iconic. Of course I have to talk about Rolex. I'm a Rolex fanboy. But to be honest, I was hoping for a new watch or an obvious new design from them. Be that as it may, the subtle changes made or even the homage of the discontinued Black GMT Master 2 is much appreciated. This GMT Master 2 is presented with the Cerachrome bezel insert in grey and black ceramic. You can pair this 904L steel watch with either a Jubilee or an oyster bracelet. The Dark Knight here, yes, I'm calling it that, has a platinum PVD coated numerals on the bezel. The Ripple's Infinity Date by Speake Marin is a sporty dress watch with a metallic silver white rhodium plated brass dial. When I was first introduced to this collection, at first glance, the design language can look a little all over the place. The circle in the square reminds me of Bell & Ross, and the protruding case and crown guards reminds me of the Nautilus. However, the more I explore the Ripple's line on the Ripple's line of collection, all puns are intended, the more the Speake Marin actually speaks to me. The subtle differences on the edge bevel and curving of the case makes a whole lot of difference in its design, making it unique and iconic to only Speake Marin. The in-house movement allows the second sub-dial to be placed at the 2 o'clock position, displayed in metallic silver white sunray finish. I'm loving this design. The heart-shaped owl hand makes it pretty Casablanca or poetic looking. Speaking about poetry, the Trilobe
Heure Exquise
takes the world of poetic horology complications to a higher level. Like how one searches for their stars to be aligned, you tell the time by aligning the 2 rotating numeral discs with the insignia at the 12 o'clock. The outer ring represents the hour, the inner ring, the minute, and the starry sapphire glass on top of the moon face rotates at the rhythm of the seconds. For example, this picture shows that it is 9 o'clock and 55 minutes. The numerals are deliberately angled to express the rotating discs. Limited to only 100 pieces, the
Heure Exquise
comes in 6 variants: the Blue Edition, the Dune Edition, which is my favorite, and the Secret Edition. Why is it a secret? To commemorate an event that took place, the aligned stars on the dial are custom made to show the position of the stars when viewed on a particular date, place, and time of your choosing. All 3 editions come in both titanium and rose gold. This year, among the other lineups that were released, Tudor is introducing an additional model to the Black Bay line, the Black Bay 58 GMT. The satin and polish case here comes with an anodized aluminum bezel insert with hues of burgundy, black and gilt. The newer and smaller case is significantly thinner than the Black Bay Pro, which I have reviewed in the past. To me, the 58 is the obvious winner. The COSC and metal certified movement has an anti-magnetism of up to 15,000 Gauss. It is equipped with a 3-link rivet style bracelet or a black rubber strap with Tudor's T-fit clamps. Introducing the Vacheron Constantin Traditionnelle Tourbillon Chronograph Collection Excellent Platine. As the name suggests, this is a tourbillon with a chronograph movement. Not any other chronograph, but a single pusher chronograph. The dial displays the minutes, hours, small seconds on tourbillon carriage, power reserve at the 6 o'clock and a 45-minute chronograph counter at the 3 o'clock. This watch is thoroughly attired with platinum. This includes the case, the crown, the dial, the clasps, and also the stitching on the strap. Yes, you heard me right. The stitching on the dark blue alligator strap is crafted by braided silk and platinum thread. The design on the tourbillon has a Maltese cross. I like how one of the screws on the cross is in blue and has a pointer on it acting as a second hand. The movement is certified with the hallmark of Geneva. This is limited to 50 pieces only. Last on the list, we have the long-awaited Zenith Defy Skyline Chronograph. Why? The Defy Skyline Chronograph is a modern take on Defy's earliest octagonal case with a multi-sided bezel. With the same robustness and durability as its predecessor, this iteration ushers in an edgier, more contemporary aesthetic. The new 42mm Skyline Chronograph combines top-second precision and its 1/10 of a second El Primero 3600 caliber with a durable steel case. The watch comes in 3 color dials, a blue, silver, and black sunburst pattern dial. And there you go folks, this is a list of my favorite watches from Watches and Wonders 2024. Which, on this list of watches in part 1 to part 4, are your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Anyway, if you like this kind of video, please like, subscribe and hit that bell icon to support the channel, and I promise to make more videos like this, and do check out my upcoming reviews soon. Until the next one, thank you for watching.